Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a taco buffet. Somehow I overcalculated. I had so much food left over and I was serving a party of 45. So let's get started and I'll help you out so you don't make the same mistakes I made. Can't even believe how much food I had left over. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's start with the hamburger. So 10 pounds of hamburger for a party of 45, and I figured each of them would eat 2 or 3 tacos. So the 10 pounds of hamburger served the party well. I had a tiny little bit left over out of the 10 pounds. So 10 pounds of hamburger should make around 120 tacos. I figured out of the 45 people, they'd be eating like 2 or 3 tacos. And plus hang out all day, and tacos the kind of thing that they can, you know, eat for lunch and it's still on the buffet and they can have it for dinner if they hung around that long. Everybody loves a taco. So 10 pounds, make about 120 tacos, and it served 45 people perfectly, okay? So then with the tacos, all the ingredients that go with a taco. So I don't like to cut up lettuce, and I don't think it ever gets cut up right. So you can buy shredded lettuce. So that I took 2 bags of shredded lettuce, and this is a pound. So it took about 2 pounds of shredded lettuce, and that worked out perfect too. And then I had sour cream, and this is a 3-pound tub, and I probably used an entire tub, and of course bought 2, so I have this whole tub left over. A 5-pound bag of Mexican cheese, about 7 large tomatoes cut up and diced, and Ortego, this is the mild taco sauce. I probably used 2 jars of this. Okay, 10 pounds of hamburger, 80-20. Almost the entire amount was gone. I did make a mistake. I should have added 1.5 cups of taco seasoning, and I added 1 cup. I don't think the flavor was strong enough, so I would have added 1.5 cups. Like, I just didn't have that much flavor to it. But I was kind of hurrying, and I never made this much taco at one time. So I would add 1.5 cups of taco to the 10 pounds, because those little bags, it's 2 tablespoons per pound. So if you want to actually figure it out, but I think 1.5 cups would have made it better taste. 2 boxes of taco shells. It was a count of 36, so that makes 72. Soft shells, there's 20 in this bag, and I probably used 3 bags, probably around 60. Now, if you always want to be safe that you don't run out, I hate to run out. Okay, and what did I serve? 4 bags and 3 things. I served white rice. Believe it or not, this is what I have left over. I made way too much rice. So I used 12 cups of dried rice. So the next time when I make the recipe, I'm just going to make 6 cups, because this is way too much rice. And the other thing, if you wanted to make it like sort of a spicy rice, you could do that, but I just left it white rice. And the other thing is refried beans. I used 3 large cans, and then I put them on like a heating tray, so they stay nice and hot. I put this on a heating tray, and I put the hard taco shells beside it on a heating tray, so that this stayed warm, and the taco shell. And then I went to Sam's Club and I got loaded potato salad, absolutely delicious. Everybody was raving about it. And I had a Greek salad, which I have on my channel, which is feta cheese, black olives, Greek salad dressing. Oh, and I made macaroni and cheese, which is also on my channel. So it was, I had a salad, loaded potato salad, the white rice, refried beans in it, and the taco shells, taco meat. Then it was lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, and taco sauce. And then I had
hi everybody.
and think that's about it. Of course, we had cake because it was my son's birthday. So pretty good menu. Absolutely, everybody was stuffed and it was delicious.